Alright, what's up guys? So I mentioned the King Slim in one of my other videos. This is my dash cam, the King Slim D4. Let's see if we can turn it on. Wait, turn on my car first. Then we can see. So yeah, the King Slim D4. So this one is recording 4K up here. And I can tap it over here. And you can see the rear camera right there. And then rear camera. And this is just full rear cam. So this right here up here is the GPS, which you connect the power to, which connects it to here. When I first got it, I thought the power came through up here, which would have been awkward to run this cable all the way around into up here, because it's like upside down. But yeah, then I run the cable on here, right, this cable right here, this bottom one, is the rear camera, which is back there. But I run the cables all the way through here, down the A-pillar, and exposed right there. I'm not sure where else I would run it. If I wanted to, I could probably run it up through here if I wanted it perfectly clean. And then down, following this baseboard all the way to the back. And then right up next to the seat on the back side of this plastic. And then it switches to the front side of this plastic. And you can see there's a little gap there, following it all the way up into the camera right there. All right, now we're gonna go to the back and I'll show you how I put this camera in here. So the rear camera is attached to the tailgate right here. So it's right here, this is the 1080p camera. So there was included stickers because this is meant for the outside on this paint work and stuff, and it didn't stick very well against this plastic. So I had to end up screwing it in. But yeah, this runs through here. There's a wire that goes down through here, and then I sent it through here. You can see it peeking out. If I can get the camera down there, peeking out, and it follows here, and then it follows this plastic all the way back until how I showed you. Probably in total, this dash cam install took about an hour. It was pretty easy. I think the hardest part was trying to find a way to send the wires. Because at first I was like, okay, we'll just stick it up here and we'll find a way to send the wires back. So I just sent it up there. And obviously if I could do it again, or maybe if I'm bored enough to do it again, I'll send the wires up through that instead. So it's completely tucked and there's not these two exposed wires, but they are pretty organized right there. They're both right next to each other. And another thing is it runs down right here, and then there's this cable right here that I've yet to tuck. I'm thinking of putting it somewhere in like there, or maybe sending it back through there somewhere. But I just want to tuck this up a little bit, or maybe just leave it a little looser and tuck it up further back there. I wish I had a power outlet inside the glove box, because all I have is a USB one, which this thing does not run off of. It just runs off the cigarette lighter. But yeah, it was a pretty simple install. It came with all the tools you need, pretty much. You just needed a screwdriver for the rear one if you were to use the screws for it, like I did. But yeah, it wasn't hard at all. And I haven't really messed around with the recording feature too much, but I'll probably put in a little clip right here. But here's just a clip of me waving to it. But there is a couple cons that I wish were included in the packet. Here, I'll pull it out. So there's a quick start guide right here for the King Slim dash cam. But it does not go over what all these controls are. It only goes over, well, you can't even see it now. This is like a menu. This is a stop button. And this right here, if I press it, it sends you to the Wi-Fi that you can connect to, so you can view it on your own phone. But I'm not sure what the voice microphone is. Oh, it just cancels the microphone, and I'm not sure what the lock is. Oh, it looks like it's like saving the video. So if I press that again or end, no, none of that's working. So I wonder what that was. Maybe it's recording the past few seconds. I mean, yeah, it's not recording right now. So maybe it was recording the last few seconds playing backwards. This is your albums and stuff. I'm discovering this as I'm making the video. But yeah, there's front cam, back cam. This is front urgent, back urgent, basically emergencies, and front photo and back photos you've taken. So here's a photo I took. Can't really tell so well. It's just in night. I was messing around with it, but stuff like that. Because this GPS measures G sensors, has G sensors. So if you get in an accident or brake really hard, these will fill up with clips of like accidents or hard braking stuff. Hey guys, while editing this clip, I forgot to film an outro, but I appreciate you guys staying to the end. If you did, please subscribe or like the video. It means a lot to me. It makes sure that I can have like feedback to keep making these better and better for everyone. So yeah, just leave a like, comment, or subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. It goes a long way for me. Appreciate it. See you guys later.